Time travel has been a fascination of humanity for centuries, capturing our imagination through science fiction and dreams. But what if it became a reality? What if we gained the ability to step into the past or leap into the future at will? How would time travel reshape society, science, and even the fabric of the universe itself? Today, we'll explore the incredible possibilities and potential dangers of a world where time travel is no longer fiction. The first question is how time travel might work and whether it would follow the rules of physics as we know them. Some theories suggest time travel could be achieved through wormholes, hypothetical shortcuts through space and time. Others propose that traveling faster than light might allow us to move backward or forward in time. Regardless of the method, time travel would require technology far beyond anything we currently possess. The discovery of such a technology would mark the greatest scientific breakthrough in human history. If time travel became possible, its first and most obvious use would be for exploration. Historians could travel back to witness events like the construction of the pyramids or the signing of the Declaration of Independence. Scientists could study extinct species such as dinosaurs in their natural habitats. Archaeologists could confirm or challenge long-held theories by observing ancient civilizations firsthand. Time travel would transform our understanding of history, turning speculation into certainty. However, traveling to the past raises complex questions about causality and the potential for paradoxes. What would happen if someone changed an event in the past, no matter how small? The classic butterfly effect suggests that even minor changes could have massive, unpredictable consequences. A single decision, such as saving a life or preventing an accident, could ripple through time and alter the present. This possibility would make time travel incredibly dangerous and difficult to regulate. One famous paradox is the grandfather paradox, which questions what happens if you prevent your own birth. If a time traveler accidentally or intentionally stopped their grandparents from meeting, would they cease to exist? Scientists speculate that such paradoxes might create alternate timelines or entirely new realities. In this scenario, time travel might split the universe into countless parallel worlds, each with its own version of history. Managing these timelines would require immense responsibility and understanding of cause and effect. Traveling to the future might seem less risky, but it poses its own set of challenges. A time traveler visiting the future could bring back knowledge that disrupts the present. Imagine learning about future technologies, political changes, or even natural disasters before they happen. Such knowledge could spark panic, greed, or attempts to manipulate the course of history. It raises ethical questions about how much of the future we should know and whether it's better left a mystery. If time travel were available to everyone, society would face unprecedented upheaval. People might try to rewrite their personal histories, erasing mistakes or seeking revenge for past wrongs. Entire industries from education to entertainment would collapse as people sought shortcuts through time. The value of experiences, memories, and even human effort might diminish if time could be manipulated at will. Regulating access to time travel would become one of the most critical challenges for governments and institutions. Economic systems would also face drastic changes in a world with time travel. Investors could use knowledge of future events to profit from markets and businesses. Entire industries might vanish overnight if people could bypass production processes by importing goods from the future. Time travel could create extreme inequalities, with the wealthy exploiting it to gain power and control. This imbalance might lead to widespread unrest, reshaping global politics and social structures. The natural world would not be immune to the effects of time travel. Traveling to the past might disrupt ecosystems by introducing modern diseases or invasive species. A careless traveler could accidentally drive an ancient species to extinction or alter evolutionary paths. Even future visits could disturb natural habitats, with travelers leaving behind pollution or waste. The responsibility of preserving the integrity of time would be a critical challenge for humanity. On a personal level, Time travel would reshape how we view our lives and decisions. Imagine being able to revisit moments of joy, relive successes, or undo regrets. While this might seem appealing, it could also prevent people from learning and growing from their mistakes. The concept of living in the moment might lose its meaning if the past and future were always accessible. Time travel would force us to rethink what it means to live a meaningful life. Religious and philosophical beliefs would also be challenged by the existence of time travel. Many cultures view time as sacred or predetermined, and the ability to alter it might conflict with these values. Questions about fate, free will, and the nature of existence would take on new urgency. Some might see time travel as a tool for divine intervention, while others might fear it as a dangerous violation of natural laws. Debates about the ethics of time travel would become central to global discussions about morality and progress. The potential for misuse of time travel is one of its greatest dangers. A single individual or organization with control over time could reshape history to suit their own goals. Wars, revolutions, and social movements could be erased or manipulated by those with access to the past. Time travel could become the ultimate weapon, capable of erasing entire civilizations from existence. Preventing the abuse of such power would require unprecedented levels of oversight and cooperation. Despite these challenges, time travel also holds incredible potential for good. Imagine traveling back to prevent catastrophic events like wars, pandemics, or natural disasters. Time travel could be used to recover lost knowledge, such as ancient texts or forgotten technologies. It might even offer solutions to modern problems, like finding sustainable energy sources or curing diseases. In the right hands, time travel could become a tool for creating a better future. What if time travel became possible? It would open the door to incredible opportunities, profound questions, and unimaginable risks. This thought experiment reminds us of the delicate balance between progress and responsibility. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the possibilities of time travel and its impact on humanity. Until next time, cherish the present moment. It may hold more value than any trip to the past or future ever could.